hurt me. Everything I've worked for. I'm trying to stay positive. And I just say, well, it's maybe another new beginning for me. At first, I didn't want the help because it was such a shock.
We've been going into AT&T employees' homes, as well as now we're helping out the community and different families that need our help. And we've been helping them kind of get a jump start on rebuilding their lives.
We have an amazing group of people here trying to do anything to help.
It makes me feel good, like I have help, like there is some type of hope.